hear thunderstorm warning.
possibilities at this point.
You hear
I haven't
thunderstorm
even looked
warning.
at that. That's the first time that I've seen that. Nor do I want to look at it
A
because I
severe
think it all works
thunderstorm
its way
warning.
out.
And the
Literally
alert.
all I know is that we played Wake Forest at 4 o'clock on Saturday.
Well, you are playing them, and in that scouting report, you've got a man, De'Armond, that is now recorded double-digit points in 9 straight ACC games. That's the most since a guy named Tim Duncan did have 11 back in 96, 97. What do you have with a guy that could pull a double-double night in, night out?
Well, he's good. He may be the most improved player in the league and playing great and rebounding the basketball. He's scoring the basketball also. He's really good. He protects the rim. He's got a lot better. He's a big concern of ours.
The record doesn't necessarily show it by your Wake Forest, but they have been very competitive at the last 5 close games. Do you figure that one of those teams is sitting there thinking that maybe our record will probably a little bit better than our record?
Absolutely, they are. They're a good basketball team. You look at it, anytime you beat, they beat Georgia Tech, and they by 18 the last time, all 17 or 18 points. It's a good basketball team, and on their own floor. They do a good job. They've got experienced guards who can really score. We talked about Moore's gotten a lot better. It'll be a big challenge for us.
Pretty good offense.